Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.